Hey guys, Dave from SM-HEPM Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial SM-HEPM160. This is a heavy duty industrial workshop press that has everything on it. It's a sliding head press, so run through some key features here. So basically loosen these handles here and this press can actually sort of slide left and right. So that's really easy to slide. Heavy duty frame. The 160 has a 1250 frame width, so between the frame width here, it's 1250. We also put these front and rear gates on there now as standard as part of our Steelmaster Industrial options that we include for our customers. So you've got sort of front activated safety gates. Now we also have, as part of our inclusions, a heavy duty work table. So this work table here, as you can see, it's about 35mm thick, and that works as a flat work table. You can also reverse that, and underneath we've got V's cut into that, so when you're doing sort of shaft work, you can actually use those those reverse tables to actually straighten your shafts. We've got wide, it's hollow frames on the side, so if you want to sort of clear past long lengths to actually straighten out, which is great. And as I said, when you're straightening, having that sort of sliding head application is fantastic. Now to raise the table up and down, neat little trick here as well. We've got the C section there as well. So simply what you do is you put that there, that on there, and then basically you hook those to these little links there, and then you lower the ram up and down, and that actually raises the table up and down to allow you to put your position pins in there. So that's a neat little option for press. Now let's run the press itself and show you through that. Now just over here. Also, one other thing too, as part of the ongoing innovations that we put on our machines, we have a stainless steel strip down there as well. So the stainless steel strip just allows the the table to actually slide up and down nicely without marking your frame. So we'll turn the pump on just over here. So there's your pump. Now we've got before we get into that, we've got a 2-speed pump, so you can actually have it on a high and low range, obviously for like the speed of the ram coming up and down. This is your main joystick for up and down movement of your shaft. And then you've also got on our HEPM series and HC series, you've got the fine feel adjustment there as well. So when you're doing that bearing, that job that just needs a little bit of extra sort of feel to it, having that side handle press, very handy. Once again, huge motor, big tank, that all comes in line with Steelmaster's industrial strength machines. So we'll turn it on there now. Bring it down. And as I said, once you get down to your point as well, you can use your handle. Come around the back here. We've also got for moving the pins, all the pins have their little safety interlocks there as well. So simply pull that out and you can actually change your pins, which change your table height. So there's our Steelmaster HEPM160 press. We've got these in stock: 66, 110, 160 and 200. The 200 has a 15 wide frame, and that's a very popular press as well. So jump into plant.steelmaster and find our range of Steelmaster industrial workshop presses. Thanks and have a great day.